ice cream with only 2 ingredients, no condensed milk or sour cream. In a container, let's start by adding natural yogurt, guys. I made this homemade natural yogurt in a past video. Here I'm using half of the recipe, which is about 600 grams. Now I'm going to add a pack of strawberry juice and mix all of this really well, guys. This is already the sweet spot. But if you prefer, you can add a bit of neutral binder. The quantity is to your preference, and if you don't have it, it's not necessary. Now let's set aside in another container. Let's add the other half of the natural yogurt plus 600 grams. The juice flavor I used this time was passion fruit, and you can use whichever you prefer. Now we're going to mix everything very well again. And here again I used a bit of neutral binder. All done. Guys, now let's put it in an ice pop bag. You can use any kind you like. I'll add the strawberry one first here, and now I'm going to add the passion fruit one on top. Once that's done, we just need to tie it really well. I'll repeat the process with the rest of the chop. Then we just take it, combine it, and take it to the freezer until it hardens. Hardened ice cream. Look at this, guys, how amazing this popsicle is. Super quick, easy, and delicious. Making it at home will save you a lot. There's nothing better with summer arriving. I hope you guys liked it. This was another recipe from the poor in the kitchen. That strong hug. See you next time, and thanks.